Hi guys, welcome back to our introduction to practical Python coding in eHealth tutorial for beginners, where we learn about Python coding for digital health or health informatics use. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn about strings in Python. So essentially strings are just, sentences. All right, so I just name this strings in Python. Okay, so basically, in order to define a string, you just put double quotes around it. So let's say I'm developing a digital health app or medication adherence app, and I need to send out text messages or reminders to people. So I need a string, like a sentence, a sentence to hold that message, and that will be a string. So let's say if I have a message equals to, you know, double quotes, reminder to take, 2 tablets of um, orange pill at, say, 3 p.m. So this is my string. It's in red in Jupyter Notebook, and you see I've surrounded my string in double quotes. Sometimes you also see other people surrounding single quotes as well. That will also work as long as quotes match. Like as long as you're not putting double quotes here and a single quote here, or single quote here, double quote here. They just need to match, um, and it'll work. So if I just print message, shift enter, reminder to take 2 tablets of orange pill at 3 p.m. So I did 2 things here. I put this sentence inside a string, and then I assigned this string, the value of the string, into a variable. So that's how you do it. You just say the variable name equals to this string, and I can assign it into the variable. And then we later just printed this variable, which has the value of reminder to take 2 tablets. So if you're sending a text message in your digital health app, all you got to do is, send this message to whichever cell phone. All right. So, but oftentimes, if you're developing a digital health app, when you build a string, you actually do not know the number of tablets to take or what color of pill to take and at what time of day to take. So you actually want these to be in variables. So let's actually name this. This two is actually number underscore of tablets equals to 2. Color of pill equals to orange. Okay. And what is it? Time of day equals to, here I put 3 p.m. All right. So my message will look like this. So here I'm gonna do this. Put an F and double quotes and double quotes end quote. So what this does is this is actually like a special Python thing. It's called a formatted string. Um, so if I just did double quotes open and close here, I cannot put variables inside. If I wanted to put variables, I had to put the F in the beginning of the double quotes here. So I can do, say reminder to take. So, okay, so now I need the number of tablets. So I'm gonna do is put left curly brackets and right curly brackets here and put number underscore of tablets. So this actually will replace replace this part with the value of number of tablets, which is 2. So reminder to take 2. And then I'm going to put space tablets of, and again, I'm going to put curly brackets, open and close. If you just put the open bracket, Jupyter Notebook will automatically put in the close bracket for you, which is convenient. So color of pill at time of day. Okay, so this will do this. So assign all these into these variables. So 2 into number of tablets, orange into the color of pill, 3 p.m. into time of day. And it'll take these variables and format them inside the string that I put. So F and then open and close quotes and reminder to take, and then I have these curly brackets to indicate that these are variables I want to replace within the sentence. And then it'll evaluate this formatted string and assign it to the variable called message. So if I print message again, Shift Enter, should say reminder to take 2 tablets of orange at 3 p.m. So I missed a pill here, so I put pill, Shift Enter, orange pill at 3 p.m. Right, that's what you do. All right, so let's say, so the beauty of this is, if you're doing a digital health app, a medication adherence app, you're gonna have this message, but you actually don't know what the number of tablets or the color of the pill will be. So you can say number of tablets, you can calculate this number elsewhere, right? This could be like uh, three tab uh, 3 tablets, and the color of pill could be blue pill. And time of day could be, say, 6 p.m. Um, all right, so I just changed the variable values. I do not need to change my message string, because that will always remain the same. Shift Enter. Reminder to take 3 tablets of blue pill at 6 p.m. Okay, so one other way to do this is you'll see in some software or Python code, older Python code, they can use the plus sign to build this formatted string. So what I mean is, so reminder, reminder, to take and put a space. Okay, I can put a plus number of tablets plus tablets of, okay, color of pill, and what have you. So reminder to take, I can exit out of the string, and then plus, this is called concatenation. Concatenate the string, so concatenate number of tablets, which is 3, tablets of, and I can put other variables, and I can finish off the sentence, but don't really need to. Okay, so if I run this, I should get an error actually in here. Try running this. This is because if you're concatenating strings like this together, all of the variable types need to be string. And you can see this number of tablets is actually an integer. So you're getting an error saying can only concatenate str, which is string, and not int, which is this toString. So what I needed to do was you just put str and then bracket and bracket. So you had to do this and then shift enter. And that's it. Reminder to take 3 tablets of blue, and then you can finish off the sentence. Hill at time of day, right, at 6 p.m. Okay, so you can see in some of the older Python code, you see it done this way. And this in some of newer Python code, you actually see it done this way. So either way is actually fine. Both will work. It's actually more of a personal preference which way you want to do it. They're both the same. But you can see here, like we ran into an error about, integers and strings, and you had to like catch these kind of things if you do it this way. Here, if you do it in a formatted string, it takes care of that for you. So you don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. But in both cases, it'll produce the same output for you. Um, Here, okay, so if you notice like this single quotes, that's because I didn't put this inside a print. If I put print here, Shift Enter, get rid of that. So yeah, see the output of these two are identical. So you can do it either way. All right, so another thing you want to know is, what if when we define string, we use double quotes, but what if inside a string, I want to use a double quote? So you have to escape it. So you can say, you know, press, okay, so press submit button below to submit your responses. Okay, let's say if we wanted to have quotes, around the submit, I have to escape it using backslash and then quote. I can also do a backslash quote here. Oops, just one quote. So what that will do is that will tell Python that, uh, so the backslash will tell Python the next quote is supposed to be like a real quote inside the string. So do not interpret it as this quote to finish off the string. So I'm gonna press Shift Enter to evaluate that and see that, I got double quotes around my submit. All right. And yeah, so that's it for strings. Thank you.